bro. No bitches can't get over this. Bro, I could feel the train moving in my car. Like, I could feel it. That's crazy. And it's still going. It's been like 5 minutes, bro. It's been like 5 freaking minutes and it's still going. And look at all the traffic that it's causing. And all the way back there. And it's still going. And it finally stopped. Now it's time to lift the reins up. Lift it up. Yep, there we go. And here we going.
In a quarter mile.
Got some tropical smoothie. Look at this. It's already like Christmas stuff all over. I'm just waiting for my friends. They're in the bathroom.
The stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on 2 separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now,
Beach vibes. You know how it is.
What is Missy Bad?
Beach vibes. You know what's gonna happen? Like,
played back simultaneously on 2 separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound, impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
oh my fucking gosh. Cam, something's wrong with you. No, you're not. You started it. Finish it. Oh. No, I'm not giving you shit. Get away from her. Yeah, she has all the food. Get it. Don't you fucking do it.
You like marshmallow?
No, no, no,
Okay, I'll read it.
no. I don't think we could feed him. What if, like...
You're thinking too hard.
I'm thinking too hard.
You're saying evil.
I thought they were about to attack me. Like, what the fuck? Oh my god. Okay, don't even know what's going on, but like, it's like a movie. I mean, not a movie, but like, they're doing something. Treyway. Correction. They're doing a video shoot for his music video, right? Treyway. Guys, I have no idea what's happening, but like birds are like going crazy. They're like going crazy. You guys wanted a vlog, right? So like basically, it's like a start to a new video, but like I don't even know what it is. It's called Treyway. Just kidding, it's not called Treyway, but like I don't even know what it is, bro. Just go with the flow. Somewhere we will go from here to the top, but like it's just a start. You know what I'm saying? It's just a start. Rise of a king, young emperor. That's what I like to call it. And like, see that? They're still taking videos. Photographer, model. Photographer, and the model. Treyway. Tell me in the comments down below if I turn brown or dark brown. Because like I can't really see myself. It's like so bright. Like I don't even know how it looks like. I don't even know how I look like. Do I look like a burnt chicken nugget? Like I don't even know, bro. But like we doing it out here. I don't know what we're doing, but like we're still doing it out here. Look at my castle. You guys fucking stepped over it.
Who are you talking to?
My vlog.
What's up, vlog?
Yeah. Yeah. I low-key don't know what I'm doing. We're supposed to be having fun, but like, It's gone. We see something in the jungle. What could it be? Oh, right there. We spotted the creature. Oh. Oh, what is he doing? He's looking at the creature. The creature looked back. Run. Put on these glasses. Don't know what's popping. Bro, I don't even know if this shit's fire, but like, ooh. See what's going on there? Music productions. I think. I'm not really sure, bro. But I'm just going with the flow. They've been at this for like an hour now. And I've been here like, I don't even know. But like, they've been here for like an hour.